Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install CapCut on your Windows PC or laptop. Please keep watching till the end. I will share a bonus tip in the last moment how to use CapCut Pro for free. For this, go to Start, then click on Microsoft Store. After that, search for CapCut. Here is our CapCut app. Click on it. Before installing, please make sure the system requirements is okay. Now click on install. I'm skipping the downloading part. Our downloading is finished. Now what you have to do is go to the CapCut app. If you want to use the Pro features, just download a VPN and make sure the region is India. You will get all the Pro features for free. So that's guys, if this would help you, please don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.